Hello everyone, this is Tomiwa Oronipin. I'm so excited today to come up with another video on how you can enter your banking details in your Paydiamond back office. I would like to start by apologizing for coming up with this outfit. I just pumped in from my early morning workout, and I decided that let me just quickly come up with this video before I try to do my next to-do list for today. Now, one of the reasons why I decided to shoot this video today is because I've been receiving a lot of messages, calls from some of my team members, some of my partners in this business on how they can enter their accurate banking details in their Paydiamond back office. A lot of people doesn't know how to go about it, and if you don't do it, it will be very difficult for you to cash out. So I will urge every one of you that you should make sure you give me your undivided attention while I take you through this video training. I will also urge you to make sure you subscribe on this channel. How do you do that? You see a subscribe button below this channel. I will urge every one of you to click on that button. Then also beside the button, you will see an icon that looks like a bell. Click on it also so that you can receive notification in your email whenever I come up with other new videos, because I'll be coming up with other series of videos on step-by-step process of how you can cash out your money from your Paydiamond back office to your market coin, from your market coin to the exchanger where you're going to sell it to Bitcoin, then from Bitcoin how you can now sell your Bitcoin and get your local currency. So I will urge you, for you not to miss any part of this video training, make sure you subscribe. And also, if you see this video of a great value, please leave comment below. Let me know what you think about it. If it's something you want me to continue doing, fine. If it doesn't give you of any value, let me know so that I will stop it and try to save it for another thing. But if you think it's of something of great value, leave comment, thumbs up, or give us a thumbs down, and let me know what you want to think of this video. Then lastly, before I forget, my disclaimer, I want to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a part of the management of Paydiamond. I'm also a distributor like every one of you that's watching this video. So what I'm shooting here is not a financial advice. I'm not advising anybody. Your final decision to be part of Paydiamond solely rests on you and you alone. So I'm not here to advise you. I'm a kind of person that is in Paydiamond. I'm passionate about what I'm doing, and I decided to contribute my own little quota to help other people to know how they can achieve great success in their Paydiamond business. So without wasting much of our time, let me quickly dive into my screen and show you the step-by-step on how you can enter your banking details. Because when you join Paydiamond, it's mandatory for you to enter your banking details so that the system can enable you or allow you to move your earnings from your Paydiamond back office, be it to your market coin, be it to your euro exchange, probably by the time it comes back, and you can easily cash it out to your local currency. So let's quickly dive in. So how do you get to this page? This is where you need to put, you can see data banking. Your banking data needs to be entered here. So how did I arrive at this? So number one, when you log into your back office, this is the default place I will normally see ourselves, which is the dashboard. When you log in, you find yourself at the dashboard. This is the dashboard of the demo account that I'm using for this training sake. Now, when you come to your account and you find yourself at the dashboard and you want to enter your button, what you need to do is you come in at the top right here. Can you see it where my cursor is at the top right? You see an icon there, an avatar here of yourself, be it a man or woman, you see it there before you upload your own ID. Then beside it, you see it, demo account. That's the username that I use. So if your own is something else, you see your username at that same spot. So you put your cursor on that your username, then you see it to give you a drop down. You see dashboard, you see my profile, buy package, extract financial, network binary, change password, change PDS, and log out. So you see all these pages that you can go to. But for the sake of this training, what we are concerned about is the banking details. So you click on my profile. When you click on my profile, all this being equal, it takes you to your profile page. You don't need this place for now, so you quickly click on my banking details. So you can see it. You see my profile, my second order. You can put a second order. Let's say you're a married couple and you want your wife or your husband to be your partner. You can put their information here. God forbid, if anything happens, he or she can also continue the business. This is one of the things most of us doesn't know that we need to know and see how we can take advantage. So you put the name of your spouse in here. You put the gender, a male or a female, date of birth, marital status, single or married. Then you put in the PD pass. The PD pass is the same thing as your as your password. So you put it there, then you click on save changes. Then the account is jointly owned by you and your partner. So if you want that, but for the sake of today, we are going to the banking details. So how do you now put in your banking details? So when you click on the banking details here, you see all these forms that you're expected to fill. So without wasting time, let me just quickly take you through the process. So for example, now the first one you see email Euro Exchange. Now Euro Exchange used to be our third-party payment processors that initially, when Paydiamond started in Nigeria, we used to use that channel to cash out our money. Because Euro Exchange issue out debit card, master debit card, which people can use to withdraw their money from ATM machine. Euro Exchange also enables us to transfer dollar to our domiciliary account and to our Bitcoin. But of recent, because it's not the company that is owned by Paydiamond, they are having a temporary challenge. And one of the challenges, the company is trying to migrate from being a third-party exchanger to a bank. So the process is taking so long, and that's why the company decided to come up with another option for us, which is the market point, which I will be explaining more about it to you in other subsequent videos. So what you need to put in here is asking for your email, your Euro Exchange email. If you have not opened Euro Exchange account, you can as well put the same email that you use in opening this account. So for this account, I think I put in this email. So you make sure the exact email is the one you need to put in here. Make sure it's not different, so that in case if you want to open your Euro Exchange, by the time it comes back, you can use this same email, because that's what gives the link between your account and your Paydiamond account with the Euro Exchange account. So now you can see now I'm putting in my email that I use in opening this account with this. I've put it in here. Then also you come here. This one is optional. This one is asking if you have an Euro Exchange card. But if you don't have it, you have not ordered it, you leave it there. It's optional. Then you move to the next one here. You understand? You move to the next one here. You see it, e-wallet to pay for you. E-wallet to pay for you is also a third-party payment that they used to use then. If you don't have it, just put in your same email address, just like the one I put in up there. Can you see it? You put it the same. Don't make sure that it's the same. The one you use for your Euro Exchange is the one I'm also using for my e-wallet to pay for you. Then the bank name, that's the name of the bank you want them to be paying you. In my own case, I will use Guarantee Trust Bank. That's GTB Bank. I hope I spell it right. Bank PLC. Now the next one there is the number bank. What they mean by number bank is the address of that bank. So which GT bank are you talking about? My own case is 5570 Ikorodu Road, Lagos, Nigeria. Just put Lagos there. Now, account type. What type of account do you have? Is it a savings account? Is it a current account? Is it a checking account? You can put whatever you want to put in there. You can put in current account. You don't want to know the type of account you're using. Then account number. What's the account number of that your account? The actual account. Putting in my own account. Agency number, that maybe this agency number doesn't particularly mean anything. You can just put in anything in there. You know, for my outfit I just put 132 what's it called, Swift code or big code. They are optional. You can put them or leave them blank. IBAN or HABA, you put it, is optional. Now favored name, what they mean by favored name is the exact name that you gave them when you are registering this account. Please take note of that. A lot of people always make that mistake. They always put different names. You know, Nigerians, sometimes we rearrange our name in a funny way. Sometimes we start with our surname, our middle name, then our last name. Then sometimes we start with our middle name, our last name, and our surname. You know, so we mix it up. Make sure it's exactly the same way you arrange it when you are joining. That's the same name you are giving them, so that it will give you issues in for them to what? Approve your details. So I put in tomorrow, but then address. Put in your address, whatever you are staying. You know, just put in your normal address here. You can just put the address without the number. Adebayo Street, Oluwa Shogo. You understand? You put the address there. Number, what's the number of the address? Number 12. That's number 12, Adebayo Street, Oluwa Shogo. Whatever the case may be, just put in there. Then complement. Compliments could be anything or whatever. I couldn't remember exactly what I put in mine, but just put in any figure. Maybe what they mean is something that is closer to your place. I think like my own case, let me just put Ikeja or K2 or whatever in there. Then here, country, you select your country. When you click on it, it gives you drop down. So look for Nigeria. You go to where N is. If you are from Nigeria or any part of the world, you put your country in there. State, put in the state, Lagos State. City, I always put Lagos also. Then PD Pass is your password. So you put in your password in there that you use for this account. But if you have changed it, make sure you remember what you changed it for. So this one, observation, thanks. I'll put anything there. Thanks for the opportunity. Or you can leave it blank, it wouldn't matter. Then when you see that everything is okay, you make sure you cross-check very well. Check from up to down and see that everything is in good area. Then we are okay with it. All things being equal, everything should go. Then you click on the save changes. So all things being equal, everything should go one time. Okay, here is asking me for, okay, the field must not exceed the maximum number of character. So what they are saying here is that, like, what I put in here is more. So let me remove the Lagos and put number 570 Ikorodu Road. I remove the Lagos. So let me try it again. Then you click on the save changes. Then all things being equal, I think it should go right now. All right, you can see it saved successfully. Now when you have done this, the system have saved your detail and you have no issue in withdrawing. Now once this one has been done, see what will happen now. By the time you now come to the bottom here, you click on request withdrawal. See what will happen. When you click on request withdrawal, the company gives you this option. You see, you have not paid your package yet. That's why this one is popping up, because I've not paid my package. But you see, it is giving me option of withdrawing my money to either Euro exchange or, well, what's it called? Market coin. So I hope this video has been of great value to you. And for those of you that have not entered your banking details with this video training, I think you should be able to do it by yourself. So if you see this video as a great value to you, please make sure you leave a comment below. If you see that it's not even of great value to you, don't like it, you don't like the way I'm doing it, let me know so that we can know how to improve. But for you not to miss other subsequent video, because the next video will be how to withdraw your money from your Paydiamond to your market coin. I will be showing you how to activate your market coin, how to withdraw it, and do all necessary things. So if you want to know all these steps, I will urge you to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below this video and also clicking on the bell icon beside it for you to receive all the required notification. Thank you for watching once again. I still remain Tomiwa. See you very, very soon. Bye-bye.